Australia has seen some of its highest temperatures on record in recent years. The annual temperature anomalies have been steadily increasing since the 1950s. 2019 was the warmest year on record. This figure shows the annual average temperature anomalies in Australia. The precipitation climate normal in Australia from 1961 to 1990 was 465.2 millimeters. The precipitation in 2019 was only 277.6 millimeters, which was the driest year since 1900. The high temperatures and low precipitation have led to various stages of drought throughout the continent. This figure shows rainfall deciles from January 1st to October 31st, 2019. Notice the central and southwest regions that show precipitation was the lowest on record. Low precipitation values are caused by many factors, including teleconnections throughout the globe. The Indian Ocean Dipole is a sea surface temperature oscillation that occurs in the Indian Ocean. Positive Indian Ocean dipole occurs when warmer sea surface temperatures are located off the coast of Africa, and cooler sea surface temperatures are located off the eastern coast of Australia. This positive Indian Ocean dipole favors dry conditions in Australia. This figure here shows the extremely strong Indian Ocean dipole anomaly during 2019 in the Indian Ocean. Other various sea surface temperature oscillations, including El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO, contribute to the climate in Australia. Although ENSO remained neutral during 2019, these teleconnections can often and will work together to create extreme drought or pluvial events in Australia. Another teleconnection that influences the climate in Australia is the Southern Annular Mode, or SAM. A negative phase favors drought conditions and occurs when the subtropic ridge winds move further to the south. This negative SAM event was caused by a sudden stratospheric warming over the South Pole. 2002 was the only other recorded occurrence of this type of event. One of the particularly hard-hit areas was the Murray-Darling Basin, located in the southeast. This figure here shows below average stream flow values within the basin. By comparison, this figure shows measured stream flow back in 2017 in the basin to have generally been average. This figure here shows historic stream flow decile ranges. The red color represents below average stream flows. This figure here shows storage levels in the basin as of October 31st, 2019. The northern portion of the basin is currently at 6.7% of its total storage capacity, while the southern portion of the basin is at 46.7% of its total storage capacity for water. One of the major impacts associated with these droughts have been the brush fires in 2019 going on into 2020. This clip shows some of the air pollution and devastation caused to local citizens by the fires. It is estimated that over 17 million hectares have burned. Dried out and stressed vegetation coupled with the driest year on record have created prime conditions for these brush fires to begin and be sustained.
Everything is so dry here, and it's been drying out for 2 years, so it's very volatile. And of course we have the eucalyptus, which is in the air. It's volatile too, so it's just
This shows the widespread devastation caused by fire on Kangaroo Island. You can see over 50% of the island was destroyed.